What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to listen to a music kit before buying it in CS2. So if you're going to want to buy it through the community market, you're not going to be able to. For example, if I go to Steam Market here and have another tab, okay, it doesn't have it anymore. If I type in music kit and I want to buy it like this off the community market, for example, if I go to this guy, there's not going to be an inspect in game option. So I can't even click the little listen to MVP music option or anything like that, which, so you can't do it that way. Even if you click the music box, there's no inspect in game or anything because you're buying it off the community market, and I think Steam wants you to just buy it from them straight up, and that's why they didn't add these features in. Anyways, how to buy it from them straight up so you can actually listen to them. Go to the store tab right here. And what makes this even more confusing is that if you right click and you try to listen to one of these music tracks right now by clicking on one of them, there's no sound button even this way. So what you have to do is you have to find the music box that they're a part of. For example, this Initiator's music kit box. If I right click on this or just click on it, I don't have to click the stat track one, doesn't really matter. Now I'll be able to actually right click and inspect and listen to the MVP music. So for example, let's listen to this guy. Inspect, play MVP anthem. Okay, this one's bugging out right now, I think. Oh, maybe because I've turned down my game volume, actually. Hold on 1 second. Audio. I thought MVP volume was up. Alright, let's turn up main menu volume. It's gonna play my main menu music, I guess. But yeah, now if we go to initiators back in here, inspect, now it's playing the MVP anthem. It pauses the main menu music for a second and then plays the MVP anthem. It'll be quiet for you guys so I don't get copyrighted, but it is playing when you click that play MVP anthem button. So that's how you have to do it. You have to actually go into the kit box where you can unbox these by chance, and then right click or click on them and then inspect them, and then you'll be able to see it. So like one more example really quick before I end this video. Tacticians, click again. You can just click, you don't have to right click at all, and then play MVP anthem. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.